Is coconut oil healthy? Yes. Hi there. Welcome to Healthy Ladies Over 40. I'm just a girl trying to live a healthy life and share information on healthy living that I find along the way. Welcome to this channel and let's seek to live a long, healthy life together, shall we? Today, we talk about coconut oil, which has commonly been misunderstood to be unhealthy. Coconut oil is used by people all over the world for its health benefits. It is, in fact, one of the healthiest oils available. In this video, I am going to give you 7 reasons why you might want to consider switching to cooking with coconut oil instead of other cooking oils. Acids are found in most cooking oils. The ratio of omega-6 to omega-3 should be 1 to 1, but it's closer to 50 to 1. To be healthy, we must severely reduce our intake of omega-6 oils and consume significantly more omega-3 oils. Coconut oil is high in these beneficial omega-3 fatty acids. 2. Doesn't cause the body to store fat. Coconut oil, unlike many other common oils such as soy and corn, will not make you fat. Coconut oil includes medium-chain triglycerides, MCT for short, which are a quick-burning fuel that doesn't turn to fat. Long-chain triglycerides are found in most other cooking oils and fats, LCT for short. LCTs are often deposited as fat in the body. Coconut oil is more quickly absorbed and turned into energy because it is an MCT. Coconuts have been a staple component in the diet of people in the tropics for ages. They consume a lot of coconut oil on a daily basis. It keeps them healthy, lean, and trim rather than making them gain weight. They develop obesity and other health concerns that our modern culture encounters when they convert from coconut oil to our modern oils. People who work in the animal feed industry are another group of people who have long grasped this truth. Vegetable oils cause cattle to gain weight and generate more fatty meat. They grow extremely skinny when given coconut oil. 3. Good source of energy. Most people who switch to coconut oil experience a boost in energy in their everyday lives as a result of the good omega-3 fatty acids and the fact that it increases metabolism. This is because coconut oil contains the highest concentration of MCTs, which boost metabolic rates and help you lose weight. MCTs enhance thermogenesis, a process in which the body's metabolism speeds up and energy is produced. Many people with fibromyalgia and chronic fatigue syndrome have discovered that adding coconut and coconut oil in their diet has been beneficial to them. 4. Boosts metabolism. Coconut oil not only converts the energy faster into your body, but it also boosts your metabolism, which aids weight loss. It helps your body burn fat more effectively by boosting your metabolism. Coconut oil has the potential to triple your calorie burn. Coconut oil is an MCT, which means it is quickly turned to energy and produces a lot of heat. According to a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, MCTs burn 3 times more calories for 6 hours after a meal than LCTs. According to Women's World magazine, published on February 15, 2005, coconut oil is the underground high metabolism secret. Coconut oil boosts sluggish thyroids by encouraging the production of extra thyroid hormones, which is wonderful news for patients with thyroid difficulties. Thyroid function has been demonstrated to be inhibited by a majority of other popular oils such as vegetable and corn. 5. Good for skin and hair. You can apply coconut oil directly to your skin and hair. It provides temporary relief for skin conditions such as rashes. It helps in the healing of skin and the restoration of its youthful appearance. It also has been shown to help people with yeast infections on their skin, as well as a variety of other skin issues. Coconut oil not only softens and smoothens your skin, but it also contains antioxidants that protect it from free radical damage. Coconut oil is also a great massage oil. 6. Other health benefits. Coconut oil has been shown to have antifungal, antibacterial, and antiviral properties when eaten and applied topically to the skin. Most oils oxidize and become bad, causing free radical harm in our bodies. Coconut oil is not easily oxidized and, unlike polyunsaturated vegetable oils, does not produce detrimental free radical damage. Free radical damage is thought to be the cause of a variety of disorders in our bodies, ranging from arthritis to increased cancer susceptibility. Coconut oil also helps our bodies absorb other nutrients such as vitamin E. 7. Good for cooking. Because it has a greater smoke point than olive oil, coconut oil can withstand higher heat. We can take numerous beneficial omega-3 oils such as axe and olive oil, but they don't hold up well to the intense heat we use in cooking. Coconut oil can be used at higher temperatures in the kitchen. Coconut oil is less likely to go bad compared to other cooking oils. Free radical damage, which is a leading cause of cancer, is caused by bad oils in the body. At room temperature, coconut oil lasts for over a year. Due to years of misinformation, we have been deprived of the health benefits that coconut oil has provided to the inhabitants of the tropics for generations. I encourage you to switch to cooking with coconut oil and test these benefits for yourself. I understand that coconut oil is usually more expensive. However, if you keep in mind all the benefits that coconut oil gives us, while at the same time preventing some potential health problems caused by other cooking oils, the decision to use coconut oil is that much easier. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Health is something that many of us take for granted, and it is important to seek ways of improving our health.
If you like what you see, subscribe, like the video, click the notification bell so that you are informed every time I post a new video. Bye.